Yo, welcome back to the vlog, y'all, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and we're coming back with another video. I know I haven't been posted in a while. Kind of took a little break, but I've been doing things behind the scenes, so look forward to seeing some new content. But today, I gotta replace my injectors for my 540. Yeah, after I did the valley pan, one of the injectors, the grommets, one of the seals or the grommets on the injector was pretty bad. I guess, you know, after you touch them things, they don't ever be right. So I just, I got some refurbished injectors on eBay, cause it was about the same price as getting a reseal kit. So I'm like, you know what, might as well just throw some, you know, some refurbished ones. I'm not saying that they're cheap, they are Bosch, but yeah, I just got these, it's like a 8-pack on eBay. So that's what we about to do, man. We're about to install that. And yeah, let me shout out some people, man, cause it's been a lot that's been going on behind the scenes. But yeah, for Christmas, shout out to my wife. She got me a workbench. So you guys see the setup here. I got the workbench. It's like a high quality one. I don't know. Yeah, this brand is really good. Like the quality of this is really nice, man. So soft close drawers, all of that. You know what I mean? So I'm really loving that, man. Like I'm slowly building like my little home shop, you know? Next thing I need is a little quick jack, but that's coming on the way soon, man. And yeah, man. And shout out to my brother-in-law. He actually has a installation company that he's coming up with soon. He hasn't launched it yet, but it's in the works. So shout out to him for actually putting this together, man. He put everything together. He builds like most of the stuff like in my crib that I need like put together, like dressers and stuff like that. He normally does. He mounts TVs. So shout out to him. And his business is Genesis Installations. So once he get that up and running, I'm gonna shout it out, you know. But it's in the works. But you can check him out on his personal Instagram. I'll put it up here so y'all guys can check it out. Go give him a follow. And if you guys in the DMV area and need some installation work, like as far as mounting TVs or building furniture or just stuff like that, man, he's really skillful in that field. You know what I mean? He knows what he's doing. He's professional. He does that for a living. So the experience speaks for itself, you know what I mean? And look at this, there's not even no flaws in it. Everything's working, you know, the lights, everything cool. So yeah, man, give him a follow on Instagram. And if you seriously need some like handyman work, like installations, like building stuff, as far as like beds, dressers, mountain TV, stuff like that, hit him up in his Instagram. So all right, guys, we're about to get started, man. I ain't gonna waste too much time. I gotta basically remove the fuel rail so I can get these injectors out. It don't look like it's too hard to do, but I definitely need to release the pressure on the fuel rail, which is this little line right here. You can see it, like a fuel line right there. I gotta pull out, let the pressure out, and disconnect these connectors. It looks like everything's right there for me to do it. I might not even take this off. I might just try to sneak it out. So yeah, man. Yeah, let me get started with that. But yeah, we got the injectors out. So now it's time to swap out these injectors. I'm leaking fuel everywhere. So it's not too bad to get it off. You know, you can just pull off, you know, move the harness out the way, you know, and get to it pretty easy. So yeah, man, let's get back to work. All right, guys, so we got the new injectors installed. And this is the reason why I replaced it. When I had did the when I had did the valley pan resale, the injector got broken right here with like this gasket, this ring. If you guys can see it, put it in the light a little bit. Yeah, that gasket had got broken, and it was giving me a code for it in injector 6. So that's why I decided just to replace it, because I couldn't find, I mean, I could have rebuilt them. I mean, they're still good. I just have to get a rebuild kit. Alright guys, we got it running now, and the new injectors are installed. It sounds a lot better now. I don't know, for some reason it just sounds really good. No misfires, no nothing. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we got it running. Let me just get the flashlight. See a little smoke. I'll see what's going on with that, you know what I mean? Oh, that smoke right here. Maybe some fuel got into the exhaust, I don't know. Anyway, so we good right here, man. All the injectors are installed. You see the yellow things right there. Just letting it run a little bit, let it burn off, whatever it needs to burn off. Oh yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. I'm a car guy just like you, man. And shit. Yeah, man, I got a lot of BMW projects. I'm into JDMs too. I'm into all cars, man. I'm just an all-around car guy. But my favorites are the Germans, so, or the BMWs. So, you know, those are the ones I own. You know, I have a few Hondas. But yeah, man. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. Join the family. We an automotive group, you know what I mean? A car enthusiast group. And yeah, man. You can make 5, you can make 10. Keep going up. You know, keep flipping. You know what I mean? Don't get distracted, don't get discouraged. You know, it's always light at the end of the tunnel. Peace.